glory ends the pain, the darkness fades away. You are the day. Your flame will never fall. Your truth outshines it all. Forever you will be the light in me. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. Lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal You speak and worlds awake. The heavens start to shake. Your word creates the sun, the Holy One. Your radiance never ends. It heals, restores, and mends. Forever I will be in thee. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. Lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal light. Your fire inside my heart will never be apart. Forever I will stay in your Eternal light burns so bright. Lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal light. Eternal light, shine in my soul. Eternal light. Heaven open wide. Your glory falls inside. The veil begins to tear. Your presence fills the heaven open wide. Glory, lead me home through the valley of my fear. I feel your presence near. Every shadow starts to fade. By your light I'm made. Your word becomes my guide. No longer will I hide. You carry me through pain like gentle rain. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Mountains bow to your grace. Heaven touches this place. All creation sings to the King. Your fire lights my way through every passing day. Forever I will go where you show. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to path of glory. Fire of grace, burning me now. Within the ashes of my heart, you make a brand new start. Your light ignites my soul and makes me whole. The darkness melts away, you turn the night to day. Your spirit is my flame, I sing your name. Breathe on me again, holy fire within. Every fear replaced by your grace. Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. The embers start to rise, your truth before my eyes. My spirit glows within, freed from sin. Each flame declares your worth, consuming all the earth. Your power sets me free eternally. Breathe on me again, holy fire within. Every fear replaced by your grace. Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. Let your flame remain through joy and through the pain. Forever I will be set Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. Fire of grace, burning me now. Fire of grace. Breath of heaven, fill me again. In the silence I can feel your presence warm and real. You move like morning light, through the night. Every heart you bring to life. You calm my storm and strife. Your peace becomes my song, forever strong. Your spirit in my soul, breathing and making whole. I surrender all to your call. Breath of heaven, blow through me. Set my spirit ever free. Every moment, every tone, I am yours alone. Breath of heaven, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Let your light descend till the very end. The winds of grace arise, they dance across the skies. Your truth renews the earth, a holy birth. Each sigh becomes a prayer. Your spirit fills the air. The world awakes again in your name. Your spirit in my soul, breathing and making whole. I surrender all to your call. Breath of heaven, blow through me. Set my spirit ever free. Every moment, every tone, I am yours alone. Breath of heaven, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Let your light descend till the very end. Your wind of life remains through joy and through the pains. Forever I will stay in your way. storm is come and gone, your peace is all I'm on. Raindrops fade away, you make a way. My heart begins to see your light is calling me. Every shadow's past, your love will last. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Through the clouds. The sky begins to glow, your grace begins to flow. 1,000 voices rise to the skies. You paint the world with peace. My doubts begin to cease. Your hands renew the day in your way. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Your light will never fade. Through every night and shade, forever I will see you're with me. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Light through the clouds, shine again. Light through the clouds. In the garden of mercy, I find you there. I walk through fields of grace, your love my resting place. The sunlight paints the air, your voice is everywhere. silence starts to bloom. Your spirit fills the room. Every breath I take is for your sake. In this quiet ground, your healing love is found. Every fear erased by your grace. Garden of mercy, pure and wide, where my heart can safely hide. Every wound you mend again, washed by holy rain. Garden of mercy, calm and true, all my soul belongs to you. Here I'm healed and stay in your mercy's way. The lilies gently sway, they dance where angels pray. Your presence like the wind that moves within. Each tear becomes a song where I forever belong. Your grace, my endless spring, my everything. In this quiet ground, your healing love is found. Every fear erased by your mercy lights my days. I hear your gentle call. I give you all. Your truth, my heart's delight. Your love restores my sight. No fear can ever stay. You lead the way. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I fear and every tear disappear. Your gentle voice is near, whispering, do not fear. You lift my weary soul and make me whole. Your shadow covers me, safe for eternity. In your arms of grace, I find my place. Wings of peace spread so wide, lift me to your holy side. Every storm, every cry fades beneath your sky. Wings of peace, pure and true. All my rest belongs to you. Let your love release. Wings of The morning starts to glow. Your light begins to flow. Every shadow's gone. Grace has won. Your spirit fills the air. I know that you are there. Forever I'll remain in your name. Your shadow covers me, safe for eternity. In your arms of grace, I find my place. Wings of peace spread so wide, lift me to your holy side. Every storm, every cry fades beneath your sky. Wings of peace, pure and true. All my rest belongs to you. Let your love release. Wings of peace. Your calm forever stays beyond the endless days. Forever I will be at peace in